This strategy is actually crazy. It made me a lot of money just by setting this up once. Set and forget thing, which is very profitable. Hit that subscribe button for more and let's get started. Affiliating for something is very profitable, guys. A lot of people are into this and they make enormous amounts of money every day. But the thing which is sweet about this is that you can only set this up once and then you can just watch your profits from above. I mean, that's a passive income at its best, and this strategy today will work anywhere that you live on the planet. You just need an internet connection and you just have to follow the steps. Of course, you know about ClickBank. You can use ClickBank as well, but don't worry if ClickBank isn't working in your country or something. You can always use Digistore 24 where you can get a lot of these products. But there is one niche, guys, which is not connected to these popular affiliating or referral program websites. You can actually Google about it. You can see that bodybuilding industry worth is $96.7 billion. Now, that was in 2020. I can guarantee you that it is over $100 billion right now, and that's what we're going to take advantage of. Now, of course, there are some bodybuilding products on Digistore 24, but you don't actually necessarily have to do it via there. You can just go and search for products like this. You can just type in bodybuilding affiliate products, and there you will have a lot of results. You can choose whichever one you want, but I'm gonna show you what made me a lot of money. If you just click here on this one, onemorecupofcoffee.com, you will here see, if you scroll a bit down, that there are a number of these which are good. And actually, you can choose any of these and make money with it every day, every month. This is gonna be your new job. Trust me, you won't have to work a day more in your life. But this one, this Testogan, this made me a lot of money, guys. And not because it is only one product. They have multiple products available and they are all in this bodybuilding niche, which is highly profitable, guys. It is so popular that it is actually crazy. Everyone wants to get that body physique, and that's why it gathers a lot of money. Now, you can see that this product, this testosterone product, is crazy in terms of commission. 40% commission for lifetime. Cookie is lifetime. Now, what does that mean? It means that if you put your link somewhere, it's gonna be connected to you for a lifetime, guys. So you just do it once. You set this up once, and it's gonna work for you forever. Now, if you click on this URL, you will be redirected to this one where you can see that you can earn up to $72 per sale. Now, that's crazy amount of money, guys. It is worth $85, but the commission is 40% at you, and that's the greatest thing about it, guys. This is easy to promote. A lot of guys want this to up their testosterone, and you just have to click on visit the Testogen website and you will be instantly redirected to their website, guys. A lot of money is in this method, so stay focused. Now, I actually told you that there are more than one product on this website. So if you come here and click just here on this more niche tab, you will be redirected to this website where you can see that you can join the #1 health affiliate network. So you can join more niche right now. And if you scroll down, you will see that they have multiple products. So you don't necessarily have to target the traffic which gonna get big, which wanna get some testosterone or something. You can as well target the traffic and target the people who wanna lose some weight. And weight loss is really popular topic, guys. Everyone wants to lose some weight. If you go down the street, you will most certainly hear someone speaking about losing some weight. And that's what plays to us. That's what we're gonna take advantage of. So what you need to do now, guys, is you need to come on this website and you need to click here on join free. That's all, guys. That's your start. That's your first step in order to find this product. Of course, you just have to click this affiliate, not this influencer, complete this simple information, and click on join now. Now, once you are logged in, this is your dashboard, and this is like a quick start to-do list. Just complete this avatar, introduce yourself. That's a minute of your job. That's what you need to do. But now this is where things start to get interesting and fun and profitable. What you need to do, guys, is you click here on link builder. Now this is going to open this page, and now you will just select a brand. So for the sake of this video, we're going to promote this Brutal Force. Now that's a project, that's a supplement for people who want to gain some weight, who want to get that muscle, who want to get a lot of good physique, and you will instantly be given this affiliate link. So this is your link for this supplement. You will just copy that to your clipboard for start. You can see it is copied, and when you now copy that into your browser, you will be instantly redirected to the website, which is your moneymaker. This is what we want to get in front of the people. You can look that there are a lot of these products, a lot of products for someone who want to make some muscle, and you want to get this in front of those people so they can buy, and you get 40% commission. Now, 40% commission, guys, that's a lot of money. 40% is a lot for us, and there are so many of these products that it is guaranteed that you will sell some. You will most certainly sell some products because there are a lot of them. So if someone watch this and he want to make some muscle, he will most certainly use this, for example, and you will get a 40% commission out of it. But now what you will have to do, you want to get that traffic and you want to get a part of this industry worth, guys. There is a lot of money here. And you can, for example, use Pinterest. If you go on Pinterest and type in here, like for example, muscle, you will be served with all of this business related stuff. There is a lot of these programs, a lot of these pictures which you can use for yourself as well. You can use Pinterest, you can make your own pin just like these guys are doing, but you can do something like this. This is something from Walmart. As you can see, if you click on it, you will be redirected to Walmart, but you are gonna make a link that will lead to the page that we have just seen. It will lead to this page so people can come and they will buy these products. So for example, just make yourself an account on Pinterest.com, and now you will just have to create your pin. You will just click on plus button, create a pin. Now you can just drag and drop any picture here which is related to that product, or you can put some handsome guy, I don't know, just like you saw on Pinterest a minute earlier. You can just put it here. And now what's the most important thing is that you put your destination link. This is your destination link. It is the link for this website where if someone clicks on it and they buy the product, well, then you are getting that sweet commission. 40% commission, guys. Now that's crazy. If you manage to sell this product, which is $60, you can see that if you get $60 times 40%, you can get $24 just from one sale, guys. $24 just from one sale. That's incredible. And it's most likely that you will sell, I don't know, for example, 4 of these. Now that's $96 per day. And if you manage to sell 4 of these each day in a month, now that's $2,800 for you each month. Now that's crazy, crazy profits. And because people are looking for this every day, it's gonna be easy sell. You can make like 5 or 10 per day even. You just have to get traffic to that link and you have to be consistent with it. I suggest that you use Pinterest to your advantage. There are certainly more websites for this, and then you can go and get that money. Go out there, take some action, and I'll catch you later.